Alright, so now we place the cell phone right on here. And there you go. You can see it's charging. Works great for wireless charging. Overall, A+.
Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a fast 3-in-1 wireless charger. So you got wireless fast charging, multiple charging devices, and charging safety protection. So it's a 3-in-1 for iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what you get inside. Alright, open this up here. So, as we see, we got a nice tray here. So you stick your cell phone right on here to charge your cell phone wirelessly. On the top, you also have the wireless charging. That's probably for your Apple Watch, which would lay over like that. Down here, you have the wireless charging, probably for your AirPods. They give you your cable that plugs in, which charges the whole system here. You also have a USB port back there as well. So you probably could charge stuff with a USB port. If you don't have a wireless charging, do not fear, because we probably can still charge this. And by doing that, what we do is we plug in the Type-C into the Type-C port it has. You take your USB end and you would plug that into your outlet, your wall outlet, or whatever you're charging from, a power bank, however you're charging your phone and everything. So for us, we're just taking a power bank here. We have that plugged in, and now we see there's a red light because we have nothing connected to it. Now, because there's a USB port on the back, we're going to go ahead, we're going to take another cable, a USB cable that has a Type-C at the end. We're going to go ahead and plug in our cell phone, and it's charging. So our Android that doesn't have wireless charging is now charging with this same device. So you don't have to have wireless charging for that. It would be nice if you did. It would be nice if we did. But for now, our phone does not have that option. But we can still use this to charge all of our other devices, like our AirPods and our Apple Watch. So, and also anything else. So if you got a tablet, you can go ahead, plug it in the back. So it's just like this. You have your Type-C cable that they supply. You plug that into a USB port, so a power bank or whatever you want to power from. And that powers the hub here, this whole little hub. You take another cable, plug that into the USB port, and then you can charge anything with whatever USB cable that you plug in there. So, tablet, anything really. And just like that. Works great, love it. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It's stylish, it's nice, and when we do finally get our wireless charging, we can then take this cable out, the USB cable out, get rid of that, and then you would simply place your phone that has wireless charging just like this. So it would go just like that. Your Apple Watch would go at the top, your AirPods wireless charger right down here. Overall, love it. Alright guys, see you at the next review. By the way guys, I actually forgot it was still in the package, but they do also supply you with a USB and a plug, so you don't have to just use a USB outlet. You can then also use this. So this USB plug that powers the device can be plugged into anything with the USB, or you just simply take this, plug this in here, and then plug this into your wall outlet as well. So, win-win, awesome product.
Alright, so now we place the cell phone right on here. And there you go. You can see it's charging. Works great for wireless charging. Overall, A+.